Hello friends, welcome to the monastery where mindful trading meets order flows. Today, NIFTY respected a major resistance level almost perfectly, and the volume profile clearly shows where institutions were active. If this level breaks tomorrow, we could see the next leg of the move. Welcome back to Mind Monastery. In this video, we will decode today's NIFTY futures price action using volume profile and auction market theory, and identify the key levels for tomorrow's trading session. Let's start with the bigger picture. Coming into today's session, the market had already recovered strongly from the 23,870 support area that formed yesterday. That level acted as a major demand zone where significant volume was traded. From there, the market began a steady auction higher. Today's session was essentially the continuation of that upward auction. Now, look at the 24,540 to 24,600 zone. This level is extremely important. Earlier, this region acted as a support level, but once price broke below it, the same level has now turned into resistance. This is a classic support turned resistance behavior in market structure. And today, when price approached that area, the market clearly showed hesitation. Another key observation comes from the point of control from the previous session. This upper acceptance area around 24,700 represents the price where the highest volume was traded earlier. In auction market theory, such zones represent fair value. Markets often revisit these areas because that is where buyers and sellers previously agreed on price. Now let's examine today's intraday volume profile. Most of today's trading activity occurred around the 24,290 to 24,300 region. This area became the point of control for today's session. Whenever price stays around a level with high traded volume, it indicates acceptance. This means the market currently considers that region as fair value. Despite facing resistance above, the market structure today still remained bullish. Why? Because the market kept forming higher lows throughout the day. Every small pullback was absorbed by buyers and price continued slowly moving upward. This is a typical institutional accumulation pattern during an uptrend. Now the key levels for tomorrow. Based on today's volume profile and structure, here are the important levels to watch for tomorrow. Support levels. 24,296. That is today's point of control. 23,870, which is the major support from yesterday. The resistance levels. 24,500 to 24,550 range, which is the major resistance zone, and 24,700, which is the upper acceptance area from previous sessions. If price breaks above 24,550, the market may attempt an auction towards 24,700. But if price falls below 24,296, we may see a move back towards 23,870 support. So the story of today's session is quite clear. The market continued its upward auction, but it is now approaching a critical resistance zone. The next major move will likely depend on whether the market accepts prices above resistance or rejects them. This is where tomorrow's opportunity may appear. If you found this analysis useful, subscribe to Mind Monastery. Every day, we decode markets using volume profiles, smart money concepts, and auction market theory. Because the goal here is not prediction. The goal is understanding how the market moves. Thank you.